everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be taking meatballs in apple cranberry sauce. This recipe is super simple and bursting with savory sweet flavor. Not only do these meatballs look spectacular, but they taste utterly delicious. Always a crowd pleaser. This recipe is so simple, more so that we are using store-bought ingredients. No homemade here, guys. And also, you are going to throw together all in one pot. So let's mess to clean up before the guests arrive. A simple and festive holiday appetizer ever. Let's get started. To get started, add apple juice in a pressure cooker, followed by brown sugar. The brown sugar provides a touch of sweetness flavor. It also cuts the acidity of the cranberry sauce and creates an overall more balanced sauce. Mix all that up. Next, add whole berry cranberry sauce and mix well. One thing I like about this recipe, guys, is so versatile. You can make it on stove top. Also, you can make your own homemade cranberry sauce from scratch. The only difference will be if you are using a stove top, you'll have to cook your meatballs for 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Next, throw in frozen turkey meatballs. Cover with the lid and set your pressure cooker on high for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the sauce has thickened. This is how it looks, guys. It smells amazing in here. There you have it, guys. Taking meatballs in apple and cranberry sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Sometimes store-bought ingredients are lifesavers, more especially at this time for the holidays. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. And for my